Hello and welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the third lesson of the series. Today we complete with the Russian alphabet. Before that, let us recap what we did last. It is important to continuously revise what we have learned before. So repeat these letters aloud after me. A, A, B, V, G, D, Ye, Yo, J, Z, I краткая, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T. So let us start learning new letters. Repeat them after me. U, U, U for Uruk, Uruk. F, F, F for film, film. Kha, Kha, Kha for Khlieb, Khlieb. Tse, Tse. It's a sound that we get when we say like cats, but instead of t, it's t. Tse, Tse. Tse for cirque, cirque. Che, Che, Che for chai, chai. Sha, Sha, Sha for shkola, shkola. Shcha, Shcha, Shcha for shchi, shchi. This letter is read as Tvirde Snag, Tvirde Snag. It is a hard sign, like this is a letter unique to the Cyrillic alphabet, Tvirde Snag. It has no sound. It is rare and is used to separate sounds. For example, Abject, Abject. So we can see there are two sounds, Ba and Ye, and it is separating them. If it would not have been there, we could have read it Abject, Abject. It is not that clear. But when we write the Tvirde Snag, it is read as Abject, Abject. E, E. It is not as E like the E that we read that looked like the inverted N, but it is just simple E, E. Sir, for example, Sir, Sir. It's not E but E, Sir. So similar to the Tvirde Snag, we have Mekh ki Snag, Mekh ki Snag. This is a soft sign and this also does not have any sound. It is used to soften the previous consonant. For example, Mats, Mats. If we would have not written this Mekh ki Snag, we would have read it like Mat, Mat with the ta clear. But when we put this Mekh ki Snag, the ta is not clear. It's like Mats, Mats. It's softening the previous consonant ta here. A, A. For example, A for Eto, Eto. U, U. U for Yug, Yug. Ya, Ya. Ya for Yablaka, Yablaka. So repeat the letters aloud after me. This helps your brain remember sounds and shapes. Practice daily to get comfortable with the alphabet and improve your speaking skills. Repeat these letters after me. U, U, F, Kha, से, चे, शा, शा, तवियर्दे स्नाग, ई, मेघ की स्नाग, ए, यू, या. So thank you for watching. You have now learnt the complete Russian alphabet. Keep practicing these sounds and letters daily. Next time, we'll review everything and learn about vowels. Till then, bye bye.